Today is December 24th, 2020. It's Christmas Eve, but because this COVID-19, we're not going to have a party. So I'm going to do some barbecue. These are ribs. The left is pork and the right is beef. I'm going to season with this seasoning. It's a Cajun seasoning. It's a little bit spicy, but it's really, really good. These ribs are seasoned well, and now I'm going to start the barbecue. Today we are going to use this master-built electric grill to do the barbecue of these ribs. The ribs are here, and here I made aluminum pan to collect the oil. Okay, and here are the wood, and it's branches from avocado tree. It's from that tree over there. It should be fine. I'm not going to put water here. Barbecue is going. The temperature I set here is 250. I will let it go probably 3 to 4 hours. Ribs are ready to eat. Looks really nice.